Mga kabro, mga kabagis, will make healthiest pancake on earth that you ever make and taste it. It's just simple and easy to do. The ingredients: 2 india flour, fresh moringa leaves. Babad ko po sa tubig yan, and then I'll pour it here later. Then 2 tablespoons of light brown sugar. Ito yung pineapple here. Pineapple and moringa garciana, Cambodia, plus mix with flaxseed. Flaxseed to mix. Powdered na po yan, powdered. And then powdered fruit guayabano, 1 tablespoon. Then powdered greens, 1 tablespoon wheat grass, kale, moringa, and spirulina. Ito yan, spirulina. So, healthy food. So come on, and watch me. Samahan niyo po ako sa pagluluto po nito. God bless. Thank you for watching. Ihalo po natin to. Mix the green, super greens powder, and then powdered guayabano fruits. Ito, pineapple moringa with garciana and flaxseed. And tablespoon. Then ito po, we'll put 2 glass of water. We'll stir that one. And then ito po, halo po natin fresh. Yan. Kailangan magugas po ko yung kamay. Be sure you wash your hand, okay? Po yung tubig, water. You need some more water, add. I just put only 2 brown light tablespoon of sugar para hindi gano matamis. So we'll cook this one pancake with tea. Can you see tea and coffee? Stir it, okay, mix all together. If you like this, the consistency is like this. Pag ganito na po, okay na po yan. See? Ready to cook. You want to add some more sugar, it's fine for you. I only put 2 light brown sugar, or you can add some more, 1 or 2 tablespoons of sugar. Ready to cook. Luluto na pa. Kung mainit na po yan, hot, maglagay po tayo. Ito. Healthiest pancake for family, friends, your partners, and your lovers. So this one, you can grab coffee or tea. You can use also non-stick pan, okay, if you want. Ito po. Yan. You can grab your own coffee or tea. May design, that's the healthiest pancake in the world. Eh? Do you ever experience and cook it? Complete vitamins. Salamat sa panonood. Thank you for watching. God bless you all.